Naka-experience ka na ba na nag-proposal during your concert?
Madami. Kaya hindi dito internationally din, tapos dito din. So, madami kasi, most especially doon sa song na Love Moves in Mysterious Ways. Kasi talagang parang, doon talaga yung pinakamagandang mag-propose kasi sinasabi talaga na hindi mo alam kung kailan dadating yung love. So, ito dumating na yung love, so I'd like to propose to you. Parang ganun yung gusto nila palabasin always sa Love Moves in Mysterious Ways.
So, hindi ka na magugulat na magkakaroon ng proposal?
Hindi, naiiyak lang ako. Minsan ako na emotional. Parang ganun. So,
Hindi ko propose siya sa AJ.
parang sino mag-propose?
Propose ko na siya.
But how important to you is also family time?
Very, very important. That's why every Sunday I do accept gigs. And during the week, when I don't have a gig, I spend most of the time with my family talaga. At home lang talaga ako. Hindi ako nalabas. Hindi mo nanood, I go out. Spend time with the family pag wala talagang show. Kasi pag may show ako talagang naka-ano talaga ako dun eh. Naka-concentrate ko. So,
Does your, I suppose you also have your own band that performs with you. Do they understand that in some sense, the way that you do have to have time for your family?
yes, of course. Kasi musicians din sila eh. So sila, they also understand that it's not all about work. They need to, reset, relax, and, feel grounded through the help of the family.
Kasi of course, most of the times, magkaka-gig ka is weekends.
Yeah,
Is that
usually
where
weekends
people
eh.
have-
Konti-konti lang naman yung mga like Sunday or Monday or
Christina, ano po yung pwede nyo mag-advise sa mga aspiring singers na in-idolize mo?
If they want to really, for the longevity of their career, yun syempre yung talagang isipin nila, siguro just be humble talaga. Hindi kasi fame will really get to your head once you get it. Or isipin mo na, I made it, okay na ako, gano'n. Tapos parang mawawalan ka na ng respeto sa lahat, yung mga dating tumulong sa'yo, makakalimutan mo na. So just be humble and remember all those people who helped you be where you are, and surround yourself with the best people that you could lift, who could lift you up.
And with the new generation performers or singers that we have right now, sino pa yung parang gusto mo maging makakollab or yung pinapakinggan nyo recently?
Wala naman ako actually pinapakinggan recently. Naririnig ko lang siya, pero hindi yun siya constantly yung pinapakinggan ko. Pero I'm vocal about this particular singer, si Maki. Si Maki, nagagalingan ako kay Maki. So I don't know what's with him, but when I watched him live on TV for the first time, sabi ko, okay siya. Like, he sang his song live. Galing. Hindi siya yung parang pang ano lang pala, pang studio lang pala. Live magaling siya ng live. And he sings also some covers na okay din yung tunog.
Since si Maki po kasi is a songwriter, kayo din po ba parang experience nyo na mag-record?
Yeah, meron ako mga sinulat na kanta sa mga albums ko. Hindi lang siya yung ganun yung pinush, pero meron yung mga albums naman ako sinulat sa songs na sinulat sa akin.
Are there plans to have singles out soon?
Yeah, very soon, probably this year. Yeah.
Ako question.
Yes, go.
Kasi 10 times platinum.
Yes.
And that is already, siguro dapat you're aware, alam mo yan, na it's already unbeatable. Because ngayon, ano na yun eh, puro streaming na. So parang Mariah Carey, Taylor Swift, hindi na, ano na, you cannot compare. So what's the secret, you think, why mo na-achieve yung 10 times platinum? Sa dami ng diva, sa dami ng magagaling na Filipina singers also. So ano kayang secret, ba't mo na-achieve yung 10 times platinum? Plus.
Siguro the realness of it. Like when I sang Nina live, it's who I am. I love singing live, and people really felt it siguro that it was very authentic. So when we came out with the Nina Live album, narinig nila na parang tunog live, parang totoo talaga. So yung authentic talaga eh, sobrang totoo, and it's really me singing live. So yun siguro yun. Hindi magiging totoo.
Ano ko siguro if I may add, based on the observation,
Yes.
na siguro yung capture the market na hindi lang puro girls, puro Becky, diba?
Oh,
I think
lahat.
na-capture mo lahat.
Oh.
And siguro it helps yung mga gigs sa bars, yung
Yes.
exposure.
Kumbaga, hindi naman ako yung parang biglaan lang eh.
Yeah.
Matagal na rin ako sa business and I do live for I can't remember when. So, yun lang siguro talaga yung tama. And I'm so, na-happy ako na hindi lang yung mga Bex and mga normal person and whoever yung mga bata, pati yung mga anak ng mga parents, ngayon, alam na rin nila yung mga songs. So, I'd like to thank the parents for letting the children hear my album and Nina Live. Thank you. Yes.
Is your Spotify rap?
My Spotify.
Spotify rap.
Iba-iba actually. Wala you mean playlist? Playlist ko now, mala Ariana Grande. Very Ariana Grande ang playlist. Pero minsan may touch of like mga Christopher Cross, ganyan, sailing, iba-iba eh, iba-iba. Siguro talagang depends on the feel of the moment.
Are we expecting Ariana Grande cover of the song?
Why not? Sa secret, if there is or there isn't.
Kung given a chance po, yung pagpipili po kayo ng isang guest na gusto nyo malagay sa Love Matter, sino po yun?
Ako marami naman. Si Maki sana, no? Kasi baka hindi siya bigla po. Si Maki, sino ang daming pwede sila. Sila Mr. Martin Rivera, why not? Sila Oli Alcacid, or sila mga nakakatrabaho ko na rin. Pwede naman.
Hindi na uso yung albums ngayon. Ano yung parang way mo para to connect with fans? Meron ka bang merch? Meron ka bang other items na parang sinishare sa kanila so they can feel the connection talaga?
Yung merch, gagawa pa lang kami kasi parang doon napupunta talaga yung merch. Diba? So, pero the way that I connect with everyone in the audience is probably yung mga bar gigs ko. Kasi yun yung mga consistently na napapanood nila ako eh. So, bar gigs.
Is there like a regular place that you do?
No regular place actually, but like once a month, I do have gigs at P1 and like 12 Monkeys and 30 Nights and a lot more in mga bars.
Miss Nina, any reaction na yung Nina Live album mo still relevant because nasa top 100 albums pa rin siya sa atin?
Really? O diba? Sobrang nakakatuwa na nandun pa rin siya talaga. Like yun nga pag sa mga gigs, usually isipin mo yung mga nanonood lang dun, yung mga like matatanda or whatever. May makikita akong mga bata nanonood and they sing to the songs that I'm singing, yung mga Jealous Someday, and talagang tuwang-tuwa sila. Natutuwa ako kasi talagang thank you to the parents talaga kasi minulat nila yung mga anak nila doon sa mga songs. So talagang paulit-ulit, generation to generation, and I'm so happy.
You made a mark already sa Nina Live 2 during pandemic, nung live.
Yes,
Kasi
Facebook.
dami nanonood talaga and nagbigay talaga ng support. Is there any chance na gumawa ka ng Nina Live 2 naman?
Iniisip nga namin actually yung gumawa ng Nina Live 2. But then, parang gusto namin na ma-preserve na yung yung Nina Live. Kung gagawa man ng isang Nina Live 2, baka hindi na Nina Live 2 yung title. Iba na siguro. Pero gusto namin kasi nandiyan, Nina Live lang is Nina Live. And there's a different one for a new one.
Tapos po nagkaroon ng single si Miss Regine Velasquez ng Someday.
Oo, di ba?
Have you heard it po? Kamusta yung version niya?
Siyempre, Regine Velasquez is Regine Velasquez. Ibang version naman siya and it's very, very beautiful and I'm so happy that she did it. And she's always been vocal na she likes all my songs. Sometimes she sings my songs sa mga concerts niya. May medley pa, di ba?
Medley niyo sa
So,
ASAP,
di ba
no?
naman, very honored naman ng lola mo na kantahin ni Regine yung mga kanta mo. So, nakakatuwa. Thank you, Miss Reg.
Pero Regine song naman po na gusto niyo.
Oo, di ba?
Ay, for Regine song.
Regine, actually, kumanta na ako ng mga songs niya na like, nung pandemic, I had a concert, parang Divas Live. Kinanta ko yung Reason Enough. Kinanta ko yung Narito Ako. Kinanta ko yung You Make Me Stronger. Yun. Nag-medley din ako ng mga songs.
Do you think, Miss Nina, paano po, kumbaga, yung mga tao, kumbaga until now relevant pa rin po kayo, kumbaga dahil na dati, naka-CD, tapos yun, streaming na. Kasi every time mo sa mga feeds sa Facebook, parang nag-share pa rin talaga ng mga Nina live songs. So how do you think na relevant pa rin kayo until now sa masa?
Sobrang nakakatawa na gusto pa rin nila ako in their lives. Gusto pa rin ako maging part ng kanilang playlist and music. And sabi ko nga, kung hanggang kailan nila ako gusto nandito, I'll still be here for everyone.
Kasi medyo